The worst time of the year is upon us, and that's apartment hunting season. I haven't fully decided. I might actually stay in my current apartment, but we're gonna go tour these. It's gonna be a love it or list it type situation. If I like these, maybe I'll move. If I don't like any of them, maybe I'll stay. But we're touring the first one today. Very nice area. I would give the area probably, what would you give it? I would give like a 7 out of 10.
Yeah.
Maybe don't. No, we can't show the area.
Oh, we can't show the area.
You guys are gonna kidnap me. I'm not crazy about this one because I scheduled the appointment and then I found a few that are furnished. I would prefer a furnished one because I do not have any furniture. But I don't know. We've got a bunch of traveling plans coming up, so that's why I just want to find a place and just be done with it. Come down here, get some work done, edit a little vlog. Look at the privacy, I like it. That's pretty cool. It's a big balcony, and I like when they connect to the bedrooms. Whoa. Yeah, oh, we got the laundry right there. I like it. I would say I'm more like entertainer that just really likes fitness, so that's what a lot of my content is based around, but I'm not I'm not a trainer or anything along those lines. But yeah, just like fun stuff. You'll grow at a slower rate without having a niche. Like everyone says, oh, a niche is so important. Yeah, if you just want a quick following and like something like that, sure. Yeah. But if you want to have a lifelong thing where like a fan base where people are going to continue to follow you, you have to show just your day-to-day life as well. That was so embarrassing. Yeah, those are all super nice. It's really spacious out here. And I would come and go on walks and stuff here. Look, it's 4 or 5 o'clock and it's dead. You know how I feel about busy places. I don't like it. Get our tan on over here. So the apartment was super nice. I went into it thinking that this isn't really an option, but I'm just gonna go and look at it anyway because since then I've found other ones that I liked. It was such a nice area. It was really calm. I don't like traffic. I don't like busy areas. You're probably wondering, why are you living in Miami? That's a valid question. I love Miami. I just want to be in a more calm area. You can go on walks and stuff. The apartment was super nice. We got a balcony. That's my biggest thing is I want a balcony. Connects to the bedroom and the living room. It's a nice place. So, I don't know, but we're also looking at other nice places. For now, me and Emmy, it's like 6 o'clock. We're gonna go hit a lift.
What's all this stuff from?
All this stuff is from my try-on haul. Yeah, so go check it out. It's on my page. I just filmed it today. Probably the biggest haul that you've ever seen in your life. It's very, very cute stuff. Did I ever tell you about when I started getting called Kay?
No.
Alright, this is a little story time. Up until I was 18 years old, not one person called me Kay. When I went to college, I was like, alright, I'm moving. I need to revamp a little bit. I want to change up the way I'm doing things. I know when I go to college, I'm going to have to introduce myself to hundreds of people. So if I'm going to change my name, now is the only time I can do it. From the day I moved to college, my name was no longer Kay. My name was no longer Kaylee. Nobody called me Kaylee anymore. Like, I introduced myself to Kay to everybody. I dated kids for years. They never once called me Kaylee. I was friends with this kid for a few months. Someone called me that, and he's like, I thought your name was just Kay. Like, people didn't even know my full name. And I also thought if I wanted to be an influencer, it's better just to have something, 1, simple that nobody else has. I don't know anyone else that goes by Kay. And 2, 1 syllable. I just think it's smarter. Kaylee Carlson. Who cares about Kaylee Carlson? Kay Carlson? That's what's up. All right, let's pick a gym outfit. Oh, they're dead. I think they'll work for a little bit. 1%. Oh, okay. Good thing the music here is pretty good. I think I've already done like 5 sets of these. I'm being such a this workout. Today was a busy day though. I love this song. It's like they knew I was in here playing this song. My legs are still so sore from Monday. Okay, Emmy can't hear me, but he is matching with that guy. You're matching. Literally. And we were just talking about your outfit too. Oh, that is literally right on my shin. I just hit my leg so hard on this thing. I don't know if I can go up to 2 plates now. Hi. Not yeah. When you're doing the Stairmaster, you really shouldn't be just leaned over like the side of it, lumped over.
When do you have legs?
I'm hitting quads today, but it's just something chill and like.
All right, next week I'm gonna train her for quads, and then we're gonna see if she actually can stay upright after workout.
I'll be just fine.
Also, she says. I'm gonna bring a wheelchair.
Fast forward a few weeks, I'm officially moved into my new apartment. However, it is not any of the apartments that you have seen thus far, because when I came to tour this place, Emmy didn't come with me. I came by myself. I loved it a lot more than I thought I would. I put the offer in and I got it. I'm really excited. I love it. It's so much better than my last place. It was fully furnished, which is what I really wanted because traveling so much, I didn't want to have to worry about getting new furniture and all of that. Look at this cute little passport thing I got. It's like this knockoff Louis Vuitton thing. So cute. We're going to Africa in a few weeks. Very excited. Here is the kitchen. Normally I like white cabinetry, but the brown will do just fine. The only thing I have in these cabinets so far is all of my supplements because obviously that's a necessity. This fridge is huge. Chipotle, orange juice, eggs. Nothing special. We've got this little table that is sort of gonna be my desk. Now, another thing about this apartment that you're going to notice is it's very yellow. Yellow, just everywhere you look, yellow, yellow, yellow. I was pretty against this, especially the carpets. I was thinking about getting a more neutral carpet, but I will say, being here for the last few days, it has grown on me. So bright. It just puts you in a good mood being here. I actually am starting to really like the yellow. Fun fact, I tripped over this table the first 5 minutes that I lived here and broke this. Nobody tell my landlord. Then we've got these two couches. We've got a TV mounted, very nice little table. I've got a mirror set up over there. And then finally, after a lifetime of wanting a balcony, I'm not gonna really show you it because safety first. It's out here and it's really big and it's really great. So I'll show you guys on the day I move out. Come with me. Now, here's another issue that I have with this apartment. I do not like this at all. This really stresses me out that they put in a laundry machine that is too big for the laundry room. I'm gonna have to just learn to deal with it. I tried to kick it, I tried to push it. It is not going in there any further. It's just not gonna work. Here we got the bathroom. I put my little cow rug in here. I thought it was super cute, except I have blonde hair, so when I brush my hair here, I know it's probably just not gonna work out. And then moving into the bedroom. It's pretty messy in here because me and Emmy are going to go do a photo shoot today, so I've got a few different outfits. In my last apartment, I had a whole room for my gym stuff, and I don't have that here. So this is about 40% of my gym wear. The rest is still at my other apartment. Another thing that really is questionable about the decorations in this place are these signs of pets doing human things and wearing human things. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't like it. We got the king size bed. I've always been in a queen, so it's pretty nice. I feel pretty bougie on this bed. I like it. I've slept like a baby the last few days that I've been here. It was a stressful experience. I'm not gonna lie. There's so many apartments in Miami, it's hard to find one that you like. So I'm so lucky to have this place. I love it. I'm not even gonna really be able to fully move in for another like 2 months because we're gonna be traveling so much. Just one of the most stressful things to do. So I'm really glad I'm here. Anyway, I hope you're all having an amazing day, week, weekend, whenever you're watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and drop a like if you haven't already. All right, love you. Bye.